Welcome back, fam. Let's take a look at something we haven't in a while. It's called Cardano, and many of you are adoring it, so let's do it. We will do short-term analysis on the daily chart so that you know the direction of the markets in the coming day and also the possible targets. So everything you need to know. There you go, every candle is 1 day. This is pretty nice looking chart if you ask me, but saying that doesn't mean that I just said Cardano is ready for takeoff. No. I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this pretty nice impulsive move to the upside and now pretty nice and a healthy retracement to the downside. So you can see that this is forming a bull flag. To make it more visible, something like this. Impulsive move, retracement in the case of bull flag, and when this resistance is broken, we're continuing to the upside in my opinion. But that doesn't mean, as you can see, as we are still in this channel, that we can go to the lower band. And that is absolutely possible to scare the living shit out of you, but still be in a bullish manner. And I believe that will happen, so let's talk about it why. As a general rule of thumb of the direction of the market, you can see the resistance that is not broken. Let's zoom in for a more clear picture. Yeah, you can see this is making us resistance all the way from last year, ladies and gentlemen, for the middle of December of last year. So we're going down, and down. At some point this will break and continue to the upside. Mark my words, at this point we don't have a clue when. Except one little clue. Pay attention now. This is my band that is giving me the direction, and currently, let's zoom in even more, we are the price. By we, I mean below that band. This is the band of 21 days, this is the exponential moving average, this is the simple moving average. And as you can see, here we have some try downs to break the resistance. No, this band is still our resistance. Price is standing at 49 cents. The infamous band is standing at 50 cents, so it can be make a 50 cents nice support, not a resistance. That would mean that we cross to the other side, that we broke out of the bull flag, that we are making new highs. So not yet. There is still possible scenario of us going to the downside, which will be the direction of the market that I'm taking at this moment. So yeah, I've talked pretty things about Cardano at this point, but at the same time I'm telling you that Cardano could be plunging more to the downside and still be in a bullish phase. Are we understanding each other? Short term Cardano could be bearish and still have the structure to go to the upside. Okay, let's make it super clear. If you don't see this 50 cents our support, we are bearish. So my call is Cardano to the downside, as the rest of the cryptos I reviewed in the last couple of days. What's the target? So let's talk about that. You are given a direction. Let's zoom out all the way to the beginning of this impulsive move. I think this is enough, and I think this will give us the full picture and the breakdown. First of all, let me show you that this band is giving us the proper support as we are in an uptrend. Also is giving us a proper resistance, so look how clean this is, people. Support, resistance, all the way from this point. It was giving us problems. So same as here, it's doing it here also. One important thing is happening, let me mark it for you, and that is the behavior of exponential moving average and moving average in the last couple of days. The yellow is above the blue in simple terms, which is kind of a bullish sign. So this could be a really early indication that price is about to go to the upside in the coming days, but that is just a speculation, a wild hunch. It's not a fact. Fact is that we don't have enough volume like we had here. Fact is that we need more interest for the new ignition like you had here. Okay, let's talk targets to the downside, not to the upside, because I gave you 50 cents for now to be realized to talk for the upside targets. To the downside, let's talk about that. We will be using Fibonacci for those targets. Mark this low of October and this high of December. There you go. Everything looks perfectly and dandy fine. You can see that we found at this point a support at 38.2% retracement. For now, This is our low and the basement. We will plunge lower, I believe we will, but let's do something else, and that is Fibonacci from the bodies of those candles. Yeah, this is not a school example, a method, it's something I use to get a clearer picture. And the picture is this: 38.2 for now, a basement, next level is 50% retracement. That was some kind of resistance at this area. And if we break that level, we will go to 61.8, that was some kind of a support after our first impulsive move to the upside. Hope I'm making this clear enough. Let's make it, well, let's say clearer. For now, 38.2 is our support. If that breaks, and in my opinion it will break to the downside, we are having 50% retracement zone as the next target, and as the ultimate buy zone 61.8% retracement. So, has Cardano retraced all the way that need to be retraced? I believe it isn't. All those targets, although it may took some time, could still giving us that bull flank and that scenario to the upside. Let's remove 1, let's remove 2, let's talk in simple terms, we don't need this anymore. The level that is for now a basement is 45 cents. If that break, and it could be breaking, we are going lower into the region of 40 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm giving you 40 cents as the next target of Cardano, as the pretty nice buy zone. But in the ideal scenario for you to get the ultimate buy zone, not saying that it will ever happen and that 40 cents is enough, I'm giving you 61.8% pocket that is as deep as 35 cents, ladies and gentlemen. So 45 for now, 40 in the coming days, and possibly even 35 before a new move to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are satisfied with this. This is quite enough information that you really need at this moment. Set your guns ready, 40 and 35 could be on the way. Don't be surprised, this is the sole purpose of this video. Not for you to be surprised, but prepared. If you go to those levels, don't be scared, it's all good. If you are holding Cardano, hope I provided you some value. And if you have problem with ears, close them, cause dinosaur is about to roar.